Welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to talk about why the Mediterranean diet is your best choice out of all diets. Before we start, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. What does it mean to eat a Mediterranean diet? Pizza and spaghetti from Italy or lamb chops from Greece may come to mind when you think of Mediterranean food, but these foods do not fall into the healthy dietary programs promoted as Mediterranean. A traditional Mediterranean diet includes fruits, vegetables, legumes, nuts, seafood, olive oil, and dairy, as well as a glass or two of red wine. That's how the people of Crete, Greece, and southern Italy ate in the 1960s, when chronic disease rates were among the lowest in the world and life expectancy was among the highest, despite scant medical assistance. Also, a true Mediterranean diet entails more than just eating healthy, fresh foods. Physical activity on a daily basis and eating meals with others are essential components. They can have a significant impact on your mood and mental health when used together, as well as help you develop a deep appreciation for the delights of eating nutritious and delicious foods. Of course, adopting dietary changes isn't always easy, especially if you're attempting to get away from processed and takeout foods. However, the Mediterranean diet may be both affordable and tasty, as well as incredibly healthy. It may take some work to move from pepperoni and pasta to fish and avocados, but you could soon be on your way to a healthier and longer life. When combined with physical activity, a typical Mediterranean diet rich in fresh fruits, vegetables, nuts, seafood, and olive oil can lower your risk of major mental and physical health problems by defending against heart disease and stroke. A Mediterranean diet restricts refined breads, processed foods, and red meat consumption, as well as encouraging the consumption of red wine rather than hard liquor, all of which can help avoid heart disease and stroke. Maintaining your flexibility. If you're an older adult, the nutrients you get from a Mediterranean diet may lower your risk of muscle weakness and other indicators of frailty by 70%, lowering the risk of Alzheimer's disease. The Mediterranean diet has been shown to benefit cholesterol, blood sugar levels, and overall blood vessel health, perhaps lowering the risk of Alzheimer's disease or dementia. Parkinson's disease risk is cut in half. The Mediterranean diet's high levels of antioxidants can protect cells from the destructive process of oxidative stress, lowering the risk of Parkinson's disease by half. Longevity is increasing. Lowering the risk of heart disease or cancer with the Mediterranean diet, you can lower your risk of dying at any age by 20%. Defending against the onset of type 2 diabetes. A Mediterranean diet is high in fiber, which slows digestion and minimizes blood sugar swings, as well as helping you maintain a healthy weight. Although there are numerous advantages to following a Mediterranean diet, there are still many misconceptions about how to fully benefit from the lifestyle in order to live a better and longer life. The misconceptions and truths regarding the Mediterranean diet are listed below. The Mediterranean diet myths and facts. Myth 1. Eating this way is quite expensive. Fact. The Mediterranean diet is less expensive than serving dishes of packaged or processed foods if you use beans or lentils as your major source of protein and adhere to larger plants and whole grains. Myth 2. If one glass of wine is excellent for your heart, 3 glasses will be 3 times as good. Fact. Drinking moderate amounts of red wine, 1 glass per day for women, 2 for men, has distinct heart health benefits. But excessive consumption has the opposite impact. More than 2 glasses of wine can be detrimental to your health. Myth 3. The Mediterranean diet consists of huge bowls of pasta and bread. Fact. Mediterraneans don't usually eat a full plate of spaghetti like Americans do. Instead, pasta is frequently served as a side dish, with a serving size of 1/2 to 1 cup of salads, vegetables, fish, or a modest quantity of organic grass-fed meat, and possibly 1 slice of bread make up the rest of their meal. Myth 4. The Mediterranean diet is solely focused on food. Fact. While food is an important part of the Mediterranean diet, don't forget the other aspects of the Mediterranean lifestyle. They don't eat in front of the TV or in a hurry. Instead, they sit down for a pleasant, unhurried dinner with others, which may be just as vital for your health as the food on your plate. Mediterraneans engage in a lot of physical activity as well. What is the best way to change? If you're intimidated by the process of switching to a Mediterranean diet, here are some tips to get you started. Consume a lot of vegetables. Try a simple plate of sliced tomatoes drizzled with olive oil and crumbled feta cheese. Or replace the sausage and pepperoni on your thin crust pizza with peppers and mushrooms. Salads, soups, and crudite platters are all excellent ways to get your veggies. Breakfast should always be consumed. Fruits, whole grains, and other fiber-rich foods are a terrific way to start the day since they'll keep you satisfied for hours. Consume seafood at least twice a week. Omega-3 fatty acids are abundant in tuna, salmon, herring, sable fish, black cod, and sardines. Shellfish such as mussels, oysters, and clams also have similar benefits for brain and heart health. One night a week, prepare a vegetarian dish. You can join the Meatless Mondays trend on skipping meat on the first day of the week if it's helpful. Alternatively, set aside a day to prepare meals centered on beans, helpful grains, and veggies. Try 2 nights a week once you've gotten the hang of it. Dairy products should be consumed in moderation. Saturated fats should make up no more than 10% of your daily calories, according to the United States Department of Agriculture, about 200 calories for most people. You can still eat dairy items like natural unprocessed cheese and Greek, or plain yogurt as a result. Eat fresh fruit for dessert. Strawberries, fresh figs, grapes, or apples can be substituted for ice cream, cake, or other baked items. Make use of healthy fats. Healthy fats can be found in extra virgin olive oil, almonds, sunflower seeds, olives, and avocados, among other foods. What can be done about mercury poisoning in fish? Despite all seafood's health benefits, almost all fish and shellfish contain traces of contaminants, including the dangerous element mercury. These tips might assist you in making the most secure decisions. Larger fish contains higher levels of mercury and other contaminants, so it's better to avoid eating shark, swordfish, tilefish, and king mackerel. Other types of cooked seafood are safe to eat up to 12 ounces or 2 6-ounce portions each week for most adults. To find out if the fish you caught is safe to eat, take heed to local seafood warnings. Choose mercury-free fish and shellfish for pregnant women, nursing mothers, and children aged 12 and under, such as shrimp, canned light tuna, salmon, pollock, or catfish. Eat no more than 6 ounces, 1 ordinary meal of albacore tuna per week due to its elevated mercury content. Make mealtimes a gathering place for friends and family. The simple act of conversing with a friend or loved one at the dinner table might help to relieve stress and improve mood. Eating with people can also help you avoid overeating, so it's good for your waistline as well as your mood. Turn off the television and computer. Put your phone aside and engage with someone over a meal. Bring the family together to keep each other informed about their daily lives. Regular family meals give comfort to children and are also a good method to keep track of their eating habits. Expand your social network by sharing meals with others. If you live alone, make a little extra food and invite a friend, coworker, or neighbor over for dinner. Cook in a group. Invite a friend to join you in shopping and cooking for a Mediterranean meal. Cooking with others may be a pleasant way to strengthen bonds, and splitting the cost can help you save money. A Mediterranean diet can be started quickly. Starting with little steps in the quickest approach to transition to a Mediterranean diet. This can be accomplished by using olive oil instead of butter to saute dishes, by eating more fruits and vegetables as a starter, side dish, snacking on fruit, and adding vegetables to other dishes. You can eat more fruits and vegetables. Instead of processed bread, rice, and pasta, choose whole grains. At least twice a week, replace red meat with fish. Switching from 2% or whole milk to skim or 1% milk reduces high-fat dairy consumption. What do you think about this video? Let us know down in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, please sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.